Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix and solve network problem on Realme phone device. Friends, you want to fix, you want to solve guys your network issue. So how to solve today friends, I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how to fix and solve network problem on Realme phone. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, scroll it. Friends, click on Realme phone additional setting. After additional setting friends, you can see language setting. Friends, you want to change language, you want to change date and time, you can change from here. Friends, you can see accessibility setting, OTG connection. Friends, you want to on your OTG connection, you can on from here. Friends, click on last option, backup and reset. And friends, you can see backup and restore, backup my data. Friends, you want to on, so you can on and you can backup your account. Friends, click on erase all data factory reset setting. Friends, click on network reset setting, and friends, click here reset setting. So guys, after 4 and 5 seconds friends, your network setting will reset, and friends, you can use guys your network without any problem friends. So friends, you can use your Wi-Fi setting, you can use guys your Bluetooth setting, and you can use your mobile network problem will solve on your device friends. After reset guys your mobile network issue again you have, so what will you have to do friends, you will have to take a screenshot of your phone model number guys, and guys send me on comment section. I will check, I will help you. So friends, you can solve your network issue from your additional setting guys. Click on backup and reset setting, erase all data setting, network setting guys, click here, your network setting will reset. After reset friends, you can use your network setting, means you can use friends your Bluetooth setting, Wi-Fi setting and mobile network without any problem. So once you want to connect a network, you can connect. So bye guys.